I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with two machines, one online to fetch files and the offline target. First, plug a formatted 8 GB plus USB into the online PC. Next, identify the exact Windows build and architecture on the offline PC so you download matching ISOs and update packages. Once identified, use the online PC to download the Windows ISO or Media Creation tool and open the Microsoft Update Catalog to queue required MSU or CAB updates. Make sure downloads complete and checks and match before moving files. Once you have the ISO and update files, make a bootable USB or mount the ISO and extract the install. WIM to a working folder. Then use DISM to apply updates offline into the image or run WSUS offline to download and organize updates into an easy installer structure. This ensures updates are applied in the correct sequence. Copy all MSU and CAB files, drivers, and any PowerShell or batch install scripts to the USB root. Confirm the install order list is present so you can apply updates reliably. Plug the prepared USB into the offline PC and either boot the installer or run the update scripts elevated inside Windows. You apply MSU/CAB files in the documented order, then reboot when prompted and repeat until no updates remain. Once done, run DISM and SFC checks to validate image health and clear pending operations. If an update fails, stop. Remove any recently added drivers or incompatible packages. Inspect the CBS log for error codes, and retry only the failing update after addressing the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.